Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters. You're very welcome. And I want to say welcome to my returning supporters as well. And today it's an unboxing video. And it's not about a survival item or prepping item. It is an item I need when I create my videos. And it's an item I have missed for a while. So, shall we go to it then? It is this. A tripod. A smartphone stative traveler. And the brand is Rollei. And I'm just saying, I'm not sponsored by them at all. So I bought this for my own money. And this is unopened. Well, what is the features of this? Well, the first thing is Bluetooth wireless connection, 3.0 to up to 10 meters. iOS 5.0 or above, Android 2.3.6 or above supported, because this contains also a remote control, a Bluetooth remote control. And the size is 32 by 32 by 10 millimeter, weight 7.5 gram, included battery, Bluetooth version 3.0, working frequency 2.4 gigahertz. So, let's open this and see what we get. It's a little bit tricky, but it just works fine if you mess with this a little bit. Well, oxygen absorber, and you get a nice little carrying bag for the tripod, which is nice. Oh, here is the attachment with a hole in the center. It's probably, I guess, the head. Okay. It looks like this. This looks like, yeah, the head. And you do like this. And you have a nice little handle here. So you can adjust the angle, which also is really nice. And you can also attach a regular cam on this, video cam or an action cam. And it has here, the green thing here is it measures so your tripod is in level, and this seems to be, yeah, you have a little lever here so you can high and low this, which is really nice as well. And this, yeah, the maximum height on this is 130 centimeters, 120, 130 centimeters. So it's pretty nice. And you have these lock. So you can choose if you want to use this, or if you want to use all three. So anyway, this is an item I really need, because I had a gorilla tripod that you can wrap around a branch or something, and that one is what I'm using now. So this will be really helpful to me and very useful, because now this tripod will give me some more options that I didn't have had before. Oh, one more thing. Here is the remote. This one here is the remote, Bluetooth remote control, which is pretty nice. And I had to check these features out a little bit more. And well, this one will be really helpful to me, better than my gorilla tripod, because I get limited when I'm gonna shoot my videos. So this makes it more easy for me, and it's good to have a remote control on it as well if you need that feature. But I'm not gonna use that much, because Bluetooth drains the battery pretty quick, so that's why I'm not gonna use Bluetooth that much. For some situations, yeah, but I will do everything manual. So I'm gonna fix this and try to get things together, and I don't do that now because I wanna make things is attached correctly and things like that. So before I do something else, but I will keep my gorilla tripod as well, because that one can be useful when I need it. But it's good to have a decent tripod. And what's the cost of this? $299 in my currency. And that is not bad for a tripod like this. And if you gonna have a decent tripod, you have to pay maybe over $100 for a tripod, and I don't have that money to pay for a tripod. So this is the next best option I can get. So guys, I have to jump off now, and don't forget, please subscribe, like, comment, and if you want to make a donation to my PayPal, you can do that as well. The link will be in the description box. And I will put some of the features of this tripod in the description box as well. Okay guys, stay safe, be prepared, and stay alive. And I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede, out.